This battery pack has no output voltage. It has no output voltage. Here has 4 battery. 3 battery are in parallel mode and 4 battery are in series mode. Maybe it's 12 voltage. Maybe it's 12 voltage. Each battery maybe got 3.7 voltage. 3.7 voltage. Now I am going to check the battery. How many voltage have? Now why it's not working? It has no output. It has no output. Negative, positive. Look, 8.9 voltage. For this case, it has no output. Battery is fully low. Battery is fully low. For this case, it has no output. It has 8 voltage. For this, the BMS is stopped. BMS cannot work. 2 voltage. One battery got 2 voltage. Look, each battery got 2 voltage. 2 voltage cannot work. In 2 voltage, the BMS cannot work. Minimum need 3.2 voltage to run the BMS. Minimum need 3.2 voltage to run the BMS. The battery is lower than 3.2 voltage. It has no, for this case, it has no output. Now I have to charge the battery. I have to charge the battery using another charger. Another charger before BMS. I have to charge the battery before BMS. Direct need to charge. Direct need to charge the battery. I am using 15.8 voltage to make the charge the battery. I am not using the BMS. I am using direct charge. Positive and negative, like this way. I have to soldering here. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage and this is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage. Now I have, look, now it's 9.6 volt. Before it was 8 volt, now it's 9.6 volt. Now I need some time, minimum 3 hour to make charge. Now it is 2.3, 2.35, 2.5, 2.54. Okay, now I have to take some times to make it charge. All are 2.5 now. Wait for a while, minimum 3 hours. Now I'm going to check again how many charge have now. Now 3.0, it makes 3.0 needs some times also. It is 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, or need some time to make little bit charges again. It minimum 3.2 volt is needed to switch the BMS. Minimum 3.2 volt need. Now how many voltage have? (3.2). Now it's 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, 3.2. Maybe now the BMS is working. Now I have to check the BMS. Now I am going to check the voltage after BMS. Look, now it's working. The problem was the battery was low. Now the battery pack is okay. It's happened, maybe it was not used long time. This battery pack not used in long time. It was fallen down anywhere. Now it's working. If we have like this battery pack, you charge like this way, then you can use again. maybe minimum 6 month it never used. If you don't use the battery pack 6 month, 3 month, 3 month no problem, minimum 6 month, 1 year, then it can be happen. Thank you for watching the video.